My name is Alex Cecilio, and I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of a photo in Photoshop. So I have my photo here, and it's actually really small right now. So I'm going to go up to Image. I'm going to go to Image Size. This is going to open up my image size window, and right below document size, under height, you're going to have resolution. And if you're trying to have a photo that prints well, that isn't pixelated when it's printed, you're going to want the resolution to be higher. So I'd put it at 300 to have it print really nice and flush. And it'll also change the size of your document. So just remember when you're printing it to make sure it's set to scale. And there's your resolution change. My name is Alex, and this is how you change the resolution of a photo in Photoshop. Thank you.